Hello dear friends, I am Lily from Armenia, Yerevan. I started my YouTube channel have a purpose to show you how simple Armenian people live, how we do usual things, to show you our everyday usual life. And of course, tell you our life stories, our history stories, our culture stories. I will be very glad to see your comments, to see your wishes. Maybe some of you have been in Armenia and have very beautiful memories. Maybe you haven't been and you will see my videos and you will like to come. I will do my best, dear friends. My first video I will start from the oldest streets of Yerevan, Abovyan Street. This street comes from 19th century. Here lived artists, public people, doctors, wealthy people. There are many beautiful old buildings here. This street is street which has history, and Armenian people and tourists like very much to walk in this street. I would like to show you. So dear friends, let's start. I will do my best. So dear friends, we start our way. We are on the oldest streets of Yerevan, Abovyan Street, oldest and most popular. You can find lots of beautiful cafes here, statues. People like to walk, to rest here. Avenue de Paris. Lots of shops here. As I told you, tourists like to walk also in this street. That is why lots of cafes, lots of shops, and the building on this street built in early 20th century and during Soviet time. Now this building you see, I'm pretty sure built in Soviet time. Also, I will show you buildings built early 20s of 20th century. How you see people just walking, having rest. I want to show you a very beautiful sculpture. I like that sculpture very much. How you can see. The name of the sculpture is Loves or Doesn't Love. This sculpture from Soviet times, 1967. The lady sitting and thinking if her sweetheart loves or doesn't love. Usually ladies like to guess that using chamomile, but how you can see there is not flower in her hand. So the sculptor had a purpose that people will give the lady flowers. So I bring some roses for her. I would like to give her that roses to put to her hand. It will be very beautiful, I think. It is the purpose of the sculpture, you know. Very beautiful. I like very much this sculpture. So let's go. One of the favorite streets. You can see the old lady selling flowers from her garden. I will buy one to help the old lady. I want to help her. Айо. Ha. Асик.
Это бессмертник. Антарами его называют, бессмертник. Спасибо большое.
I bought one to help the old lady. Very beautiful, I like. So another sculpture. I will see who is. He is Alexander Montashian, famous Armenian philanthropist. How I know he was very wealthy. So we had his statue from 2012. So, and you can see very beautiful Armenian church, new church from 2002, how I remember. You can see very beautiful carvings. Oh, also you can see police, you know, hard times. Police are checking everybody. So you can see very beautiful carvings. You can see the doves, yes, very beautiful. I will tell you about all the churches later in special video. Of course, very beautiful, the old one, church from 13th century, and next to it the new one, more bigger church. You can see people just resting.